What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. For all of my car guys that have been following my Civic build, we are not working on the Civic today. So today is time for you to broaden your vehicle spectrum and watch me work on a Harley. Now for all you Harley guys, today we're working on the Harley. Right now we're working on the O2 soft tail. It's got a big 26-inch wheel on it. It's all custom. I got air ride on the back. I've got a lot of videos documenting what I've done to this thing. So if you're new to my channel and you want to see all that, go back and check it out. I've worked on just about everything on this bike. All the headlights, the neck bearings, the front crash bar I installed and turned it into my air tank for the rear suspension. So that's kind of a cool video. So yeah, feel free to go check those out. I already got the bike up in the air, as you can see. We just changed the oil on it. I don't know if maybe I'll throw some of that footage down here in this video. But today we are adding some look good parts before we get this thing on the road, because the weather is starting to get warmer. What that is going to be is we got some chrome for the back. So right now you see the black belt guard. We have that in chrome. We've got an upper belt guard in chrome, and we've got a pulley cover in chrome. And then to cover it all up, we're going to be putting a swing arm bag right here, because that's what this thing lacks, is there is no storage. So mind the mess. We've got these chrome parts here. These all came from J&P Cycles. I'll link them down below. A little expensive, but it's good chrome parts. And then hardware kit that I'm still waiting on. It is coming from Dennis Kirk, and it's just all the hardware for all this stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and head back to the bike. We have to remove the back wheel for the pulley cover, obviously. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take our pulley off, because we're gonna have to take those bolts out anyway to get the cover on. And once it's off, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the wheel some, just because it's gonna be super easy to clean it up. Okay guys, so we are finished with the oil change. We put the chrome belt guard and pulley cover on the bike. As you just saw, I think it looks fantastic. It really carries the chrome like back to the back of the bike. And I didn't used to be a big chrome guy, and I'm still not a big chrome guy, but just the way this bike is set up with the black paint and then chrome accents, I'm really digging the way it looks. But we got one more thing to install, and that is this swing arm saddlebag. It is real leather from J&P Cycles, but it's a Willie and Max. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. I am excited to have that because right now I have zero storage on the bike. I did have a bar bag, but I like having that empty up there to really show off the big 7-inch chrome headlight and then the big bars. So anyway, let's go ahead and install that on the back. All right, so I think that looks great. As you could probably see, my passenger floorboard here kind of squeezes it in a little bit, interferes with it some. So I might get some different floorboards, maybe just a post. I like these because they match, but if my passenger don't care, I might go back to just a singular post on the back there because I don't really like how it's squeezing it in, but other than that, I love it. I think it's going to be super nice, and yeah, we're good to go. Okay guys, we just took a ride. Everything's doing good. We got no leaks. We've got no issues with the chrome belt guard, the belt dragging or anything. The bag stayed on. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. There's going to be a little bit more bike content coming. So all of you Civic guys, all you car guys, it's time for you to dabble in the bike / Harley game. Because there's going to be a little bit more of it, and you got to keep watching me. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. The easiest way to take that to the next step is just like and comment down below. It's free and it helps me out a ton. Thanks guys, I'll catch you in the next one.